Hello, Min. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. Okay, what's the weather today, Min?
It's sunny.
Nice. Okay, have you eaten dinner yet? Yes or not yet?
Not yet.
Great. What time are you going to eat your dinner?
Six.
At 6. Oh, yeah, because it's still 5:30 in Vietnam. Okay, so anyway, I want you to look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. Okay, so look at the pictures. Okay, there are four pictures here. So each of the picture tells story. Okay, look at the first picture. This is Sam. Okay, it's the afternoon. The man in the armchair is Sam's father. His name's Tom. All of these pictures in here mean show a story called Tom Tom loves his birthday present. Okay, so this time I want you to look at the first picture and read it. Okay, in the first picture, hello Min.
Hello.
Okay, can you please read it? In the first picture, let's read.
In the first picture, Tom is watching basketball on TV. He really likes basketball. His son Sam is opening the front door. The Uncle Jim and his family are outside. They have a birthday present for Tom.
Very good. Thank you for reading that one, Min. Okay, now Min, I want you to look at this. Say baseball.
Baseball.
Very good. Now let's look at the second picture. Okay, you tell the story. Okay, who's opening the door now? Who's opening the door now?
Father.
That's right.
Father.
It's Sam's father. How many people are outside the door?
Three.
Great.
Three.
Okay, what's the boy holding?
A two.
Look, what's the boy holding? It's what's that? It's a present.
Brother.
Very good. Okay, now look at this one. What's Tom doing now? What's Tom doing now? He is
Also,
What's Tom doing? He is
He is opening the present.
very good. Now look, what are Tom's presents? They are, what's this?
It's
Is this
a bone.
very good? Okay, now how about this? What is it? What's that? It's a, what do we use to hit the ball? What's that? It's a bat. Bat.
Bat.
Very good. Okay. Say, he's got
He's
a
got
baseball
he's,
and a bat.
he's got a baseball and a bat.
Very good. Now look at Tom. Does he like his present? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, he does. Very good. Okay, now look at them now. Where are Tom and Sam now?
He's a rocket.
They- yes, okay. They are in the park. Okay, what are they doing?
He's
They
a,
are,
they are baseball.
yes, thank you for that. Say, they are playing baseball.
They are playing baseball.
Very good. Are they happy?
Yes.
Yes, they are. Very good. Give me a high five, Mean. Nice. You have this. Great job. Okay, now, Mean, I want you to look at the story again and tell this. Okay, now look at this one. Okay, look and tell the story. What happened here? You can do it.
Yes.
Look at the pictures and you retell the story by looking at the pictures. You can do it.
Look at the picture. Please picture this is Sam. It's the afternoon. The man is the and chair. Is Sam's father. His name's Tom. Their pictures show a story.
Hold.
Called Tom loves his birthday presents.
Very good. Now look.
Nhìn tranh và kể lại câu chuyện bằng cách nhìn vào tranh bạn có thể làm được.
What happened? What's Tom doing?
This
Okay, Tom is
opening. Tom is opening.
okay. Now look, what happened in the second picture? Tom
Tom,
is
Tom is opening the door and he can see Uncle Jim and his family. The boy holding a present.
very good. Okay, now that is an example of telling the story based on the picture. Now I want you to do it on your own in number 3 and 4. Okay?
Bây giờ đó là một ví dụ về kể chuyện dựa trên bức tranh. Bây giờ tôi muốn các em tự làm ở câu số 3 và 4 nhé.
All right. You can do it. Let's try. Okay, now look. What happened here? Tom is
Tom is the open gift.
very good. The gifts are
The gifts are bowl and bat.
nice. Now look.
The Tom is playing basketball
Nice.
and Sam.
Very good. Are they happy?
Yes.
Yes, they are happy. Great. Give me a high five, Min. Nice. That is better. So you have one big star. Okay. Now, Min, let's practice. Now, this time, I want you to listen to teacher and draw. Okay, let's draw the birthday party table. Now, look at this. Draw a huge table. I will draw a huge table here. Okay, now here is the huge table. Okay, this is a huge table. Now, draw some glasses. Your turn. Draw some glasses. How are you going to draw glasses? Let's draw some glasses here. Glasses. Oh, not that. Here it is. One glass, two glasses. Okay, now bowls. Let's draw some bowls. Very good. Okay, now your turn, Min. Draw some bowls, bottles, and plate on top of the table. Let's start with bowl. Very good. Okay, how about bottles? Bottles.
Hmm.
Let me help you. Bottles. Okay, how about plates? You draw plates. Very good. How about plate? Plate. All right. Now, look on the outside of one of the bottle, write what is inside. Okay, example. We have here tea. Okay, so inside of this one is a tea. Now look, your turn again. Draw a big birthday cake on a really big square plate. Your turn. Look, draw a big birthday. Very good. That's all right. Yes, that's okay. Your draw. Nice. Okay, birthday cake. Let's put it here. Then we have the candles. Okay, this is the birthday cake. Very good. Now look, draw a birthday present on the floor. Your turn again.
Hmm.
Draw a birthday present on the floor. Oh no, sorry. Look, draw a birthday present on the floor. Okay, you draw. Draw a birthday present on the floor. You can do it, Min. Okay, you draw a birthday. Where is the birthday present? Okay, let's draw it here. Very good. Okay, now look and draw lots of balloons to the picture. Lots of balloons to the picture. Nice. Very good. All right, great balloon. Now, Min, let's talk about your drawings. Okay, look at the picture now. How many bottles are there? How many bottles? There are
There are two puzzles.
very good. How many cakes can you see?
Is one case.
That's right. How many candles?
Is four candles.
Very good. Where is the present?
Is on the floor.
That's right. How many balloons?
Is four balloons.
Great. Say, there are 4 balloons.
There are four balloons.
Very good. How many plates?
Is two plates.
Yes, there are.
There are two plates.
Yay! Give me a high 10. Nice. You have this one big star and one big candy. Thank you so much for joining our class. I hope you learned something. You have one big candy, one big star, one happy star, and one great job. Bye bye, Min.
Bye bye.